everyone, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Vanilla. In this session, I am going to explain about hybridization, geometry, shape, bond pair and lone pair. So let's start now. Number of pairs, molecular type, geometry of the given molecule, and bond pairs, lone pair, shape of molecule, hybridization, and finally example. Here number of pairs 2, then molecular type is AB, geometry is linear. Number of bond pairs 2, lone pairs 0, then shape is also linear. Hybridization is SP. Example for this linear is BeCl2. Next, number of pairs is 3, then molecular type is AB3. Then what is the geometry? Trigonal, planar. Here number of bond pairs is 3, lone pairs 0, shape also trigonal, planar, and hybridization is sp2. Example for this is BF3. If same number of pairs, then molecular type is AB2E. Here same geometry. Number of bond pairs is 2 and lone pairs is 1. Then shape is bent shape. Same hybridization. Example for this is SO2. After this, number of pairs 4. Then molecular type is AB4. Geometry is tetrahedral. Number of bond pairs is 4, lone pairs 0, shape is tetrahedral. Hybridization is sp3. Example is CH4. If same number of pairs, then molecular type is AB3E. Tetrahedral geometry. Number of bond pairs is 3, lone pairs is 1. Shape is trigonal, pyramidal. Same hybridization. Example ammonia. Next, AB2E2 type, tetrahedral. Number of bond pairs and lone pairs same. Shape bent shape. Same hybridization. Example for this water. Next one, number of pairs 5. Molecular type is AB5. Geometry is trigonal, bipyramidal. Bond pairs are 5, lone pairs are 0. Shape also trigonal, bipyramidal. Hybridization is sp3d. Example for this is PCl5. After same number of pairs, molecular type is different. It is AB4E. Same geometry with 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. The shape is seesaw. Same hybridization. Example for this is SF4. Next, AB3E2. Number of bond pairs 3, lone pairs 2, T shape. Example for this ClF3. Finally, in number of pairs 5, that is AB2E3 trigonal bipyramidal. Number of bond pairs 2, lone pairs 3. Shape is linear. Number of pairs is 6. Molecular type is AB6. Then geometry is octahedral. Bond pairs 6, lone pairs 0. Shape octahedral. Hybridization sp3d2. Example for this SF6. If same number of pairs 6, then molecular type is AB5E. Octahedral. Number of bond pairs is 5, lone pairs 1. Then shape it is square pyramid. Same hybridization. Example for this is BRF5. Then AB4E2 molecular type octahedral. Number of bond pairs 4, number of lone pairs 2. Shape is square planar. Same hybridization. Example XeF4. Next, number of pairs 7. AB7 molecular type. Geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. Bond pair 7, lone pairs 0. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Hybridization sp3d3. Example IF7. After AB6E, bond pair 6, lone pair 1, monopyramidal or distorted octahedral. Same hybridization. So up to here is very important for NEET exam. Mainly they are asking square planar shape, and in this for number of pairs 5, these two are very important shapes. With 4 bond pairs 1 lone pair seesaw and 3 bond pairs 2 lone pairs T shape. Very important for NEET exam. If anyone preparing CSIR net, for those people also read the up to here. This is very important trick, and also it is a table format. This table format is also available in textbook like academy books or NCERT books. In that books they won't give clear format, so I gave here like that. Note it down as a table format. To find out easily hybridization or geometry or shape, you have to clear about the group number. These are the group numbers. Read properly and understand clearly and note it down. Group number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to here you have to know. So next one, if you have 2 number of pairs, then it is sp hybridization. If it is 3, sp2. If it is 4, sp3. If it is 5, sp3d. If it is 6, sp3d2. 7, sp3d3. This is also small trick. Now we have to calculate the hybridization formula. Half into V plus M minus C plus A. Here V is valency. M is monovalent atom. C is cationic charge, like positive charge. A means anionic charge, which it is a negative charge. So now I am taking one example, NO3 minus half into, what is the valency? Valency is nothing but group number. Here group number nitrogen, fifth group. So 5 plus monovalent atom, this oxygen, 3 minus number of cationic charge. There is no cationic charge. Here only anionic charge is present. So 0 plus anionic charge is 1. So we get 4.5. Is this number to find out the hybridization easily? No, this is not useful. This format is, sometimes it is useful, sometimes errors may occur. So now I am giving easy trick. Does anyone know the trick how to find out the hybridization, geometry, shape? Okay, let me know the trick. So here NO3 minus, first of all N, nitrogen. Nitrogen, what is the group number? 5 plus, next oxygen. Oxygen, what is the group number? 6. 6 into, how many oxygens are there? 3. Here plus 1. We have to sum all these. 5 plus 18 plus 1. Then how much it is? 14, 24. This is the total sum of this NO3 minus 24. So you can calculate this 24 number by 8. Why I can take here 8 only? Why I am not taking 7, 6? I can give clarity about that. Okay, 8 3s 24. So 0. So here bond pairs these are. So 3 means sp2. So this one. I think now you get clarity little bit. Okay, I am going to give more examples, then you can understand very easily. If molecule, the sum total is equal to 8 or below 8, then it can be divisible by 2. Second one, if molecule, the sum total is more than 8, then it can be divisible by 8. Less than 8 or equal to 8 is can be divisible by 2. More than 8 is divisible by 8. This is very important, very useful for who are preparing for competitive exams. So before what I gave, see, NO3 minus, this number is, total sum is 24. Okay, this 24 number is greater than 8, so it can be divisible by 8. So next example is BeCl2. Here beryllium is, what is the group number for beryllium? Group number is 2. So here I am taking 2 plus chlorine group number is, chlorine group number is 7. Here how many chlorines are there? 2 chlorines. So 2 plus 14, 16. So it is more than 8. 8 to 16, 0. Bond pairs. After it will come lone pairs. First of all, listen, bond pairs. So this shape is linear. Before I told you, example BeCl2. Here hybridization is sp, linear. 2 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. I think now you understand. So after this, next example is SO2. SO2. Sulfur, what is the sulfur group number? 6. Oxygen group number? 6. How many oxygens are there? 2. So 6 plus 12. Total count is 18. So 18 is, it is more than 8. So it is divisible by 8 only. 8 to 16. 2. So here 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. So don't take it as like that previously simple divisions, not like that. This is the different division. Again you can take like this. So this number is less than 8. So less than 8 means you can divisible by 2. 2 ones 2. First of all, these are bond pairs. Next to coming is lone pairs. Here 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Then what is it? Hybridization, sp2. What is the shape? Bent shape. Geometry is trigonal, planar. I think now you understand clearly something about this hybridization, how to find hybridization, geometry, shape in single trick. I hope you guys understand, but I am giving some more examples, then you can understand clearly. Okay, next example is water, H2O. What is the group number? Hydrogen 1. Here 2 is there. So plus what is oxygen group number? 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. If it is divisible by 2, then it is 0. Is shape for water is tetrahedral? No, this is the exception, not tetrahedral. The shape is bent shape. This is the exception for what type before given trick. This is the only exception. Okay, next example, SnCl2. What is the Sn group number? 4. 4 plus chlorine group number is 7. So 2 chlorines are there. 4 plus 14. It is 18. 18 is greater than 8. So 18 can be divisible by 8. So here again 18 minus 16 is 2. Again it will divisible by, it is less than 8. So it can be divisible by 2. 2 ones 2. 0. First whatever it is coming, that is bond pair. Next one is lone pair. Remember it. Okay. Now here what is hybridization? sp2. What is the shape? Angular or bent. Got it? Next one is XeF2. What is the xenon group number? 8 plus fluorine group number is 7. 7 into how many chlorines are there? 2. So 8 plus 14. So how much it can? 22. So it is greater than 8. So it can be divisible by 8 only. 8 to 16. So 22 minus 16, 6. It is also less than 8. This is less than 8. So it can be divisible by 2. 2 3s 6 0. These are bond pairs. These are lone pairs. So here bond pairs 2, lone pairs 3. Total 5. 5 AB2 E3 molecular type, this one. So what is this hybridization? sp3d. Okay, sp3 hybridization. So example is, shape is linear. So I think I forgot, here I wrote XeF2. Okay, now we clear about this. So I will give one more example. XeF4. I think these are important for IP exam also. I think 2 marks. Here xenon group number is 8. Fluorine 7. How many fluorines are there? 4. 7 into 4. 8 plus 28. So total how much? 36. This 36 is greater than 8. So it can be divisible by 8 only. 8 fours 32. 36 minus 32, how much? 4. This 4 is less than 8. So before what I gave, here this one, less than 8. Less than 8, this one. So 2 2s 4. These are bond pairs. These are lone pairs. What is this hybridization? sp3d2. Because 6 are there. Number of pairs are 6. Then molecular type also AB4E2. Okay. Then what is the shape? Square planar. This is very important for NEET exam. After this, I am giving one more example. Ammonia. Nitrogen group number is 5. Hydrogen group number is 1. How many hydrogens are there? 3. So 5 plus 3, which is 8. What I told here. Here. Equal 8. Then it also be divisible by 2 only. So 8. 2 4s are 8. 0. It is tetrahedral. These are only bond pairs. Is there any lone pair? No, only bond pair is there. So tetrahedral shape. Hybridization is sp3. Okay, hope you understand. Next example is the final example. SF4. Here sulfur group number is 6, fluorine 7. 7 into 4, how much? 28. 28 plus 6, 34. Then 34 greater than 8, so it can be divisible by 8. 8 4s are 32. 34 minus 32, how much? 2. So it is less than 8, so it can be divisible by 2. 2 ones 2, it is 0. These are bond pairs. These are lone pairs. What is hybridization? sp3d. Yeah, sp3d only. Next, what is the shape? Seesaw. Got it? This is very important. I think some members are confusion about seesaw and T-shape. Seesaw has 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. T-shape has 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Remember it. These are one format and these are one. Very, very important this. This trigonal bipyramidal without lone pairs. With 1 lone pair seesaw. With 2 lone pairs T-shape. With 3 lone pairs linear. Here without lone pair tetrahedral, 1 lone pair trigonal pyramidal, with 2 lone pairs bent shape. Here also without lone pair tetrahedral, with 1 lone pair square pyramidal, with 2 lone pair square planar. That's all about the geometry and shape and bond pairs, lone pairs, hybridization. Some of you guys, I think, follows this format. If you follow this format, I think you have to know about valency, monovalent atom, cation, anion, like that. I think you are confusing this formula. So this trick is very useful. Starting this trick is using somewhat difficult. After you continuously using this one, you can calculate in your mind only. Not using pen, paper, don't use these ones. So you can also save your time in exams. Within 30 seconds, you can find out the hybridization, geometry and shape. So here I am giving some bits. Who are preparing competitive exams, use these bits. So first one is the shape of IF5 is, I already told. What is iodine group number? 7. Fluorine group number also 7. 7 plus 7. How many fluorines are there? 5. So you can calculate that one. Next question, mark the incorrect statement. What is the shape for water, methane, BF3 and SF4? You can, one more time you can listen the previous class. You can understand. After these bits are very easy for you. Okay. Next, HCF4. What is the correct statement for HCF4? Okay. Once you practice that previous examples, you can easily do this one. Next, ICl4. What is the group number? 7. Chlorine group number also 7. How many chlorines are there? 4. Plus, here minus is, that is cation charge, that is plus 1. If we here like positive charge is there, then you can minus that one. If negative charge is there, you can add that one, vice versa. Got it? Okay. Next one, PCl5, IF5, SnCl2, NO2 minus. I think I can give these examples also. So you can find out the how many lone pairs in PCl5, IF5, SnCl2, NO2 minus. It's very easy. Then hybridization for SnCl6 2 minus. Sn, what is the group number? 4. Plus, what is the chlorine group number? 7. How many chlorines are there? 6. Plus, how many negative charges are there? 2. So, you can find out the answer easily. So, here I am giving 4 plus 42, 7 6 are 42 plus 2, 8, 4. It is more than 8, then it can be divisible by 8. 8 6 are 48, it is 0. These are all bond pairs only. So, if number of pairs are 6, then it is sp3d2. So, answer is B. 6 means here S1, P3, D2. Total 6. Okay, I think now you understand. So, you can practice these bits. You can understand clearly. If anyone have doubt on this topic, you can comment me and you can understand clearly. No, I think no one tell these tricks in your classes, any lecturer. So I am giving the very important trick, very easy also. If you practice 2 or 3 times like this, you can understand. After you can get the result, best result also. You can do it like 30 seconds, minimum 30 seconds, sometimes 10 seconds also. You can calculate in your mind. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, comment me, and I will give this answer in description box. You can follow it. So you can share with your friends who are struggling hybridization by simply using this simple period table, group number, and also tricks. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye bye.